Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to undo the migrations. So suppose in the last video we have talked about how we are going to rename a column. But I thought this is wrong. Username is correct one. So how I can do the undo the last migration. So in this video I'm going to teach you how we're going to undo the last migration. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Let's get started. So for the last command to roll back or the last migration to undo, we have to use this db migrate undo. Okay, so let's run it. So here we have this, and the last username column that is here, you can see that it's user underscore name. Okay, so let's undo that. Okay, fine, reverting. And what will happen? User underscore name. Very easy, very simple. Next, I want to undo all the migrations. So with the help of this, I will do the all undo migrations. So that table will be removed. Okay, so reverting, creating users also. And there is no table because user does not exist because I revert all the migrations. Okay. So this is how you can do the undo the migrations. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.